Drop it.
Learned French names and their equivalents in English. But today we are going to continue with something else. That is greeting in French. Greetings in French. How to help you greet in the proper way in French. So, within the day, we have a lot of segments. The morning in French is called le matin. Morning in French is le matin. Afternoon, or let's go to midday. Midday is midi. Afternoon is après midi. That is afternoon, après midi. You have le soir. Le soir. Le soir is evening. Then we have the night, which is la nuit. Alright. In English, I'm sure you know how you greet someone in various hours of the day. But in French, the most popular greeting people know about French greeting is bonjour. So you meet someone for the first time, you tell the person you can speak French, it's like, go, bonjour, monsieur, bonjour. Yeah, so we're going to give you a little understanding of how to use the word bonjour. In many situations, Americans or English people and the French people behave and react in very similar ways. However, in certain situations, their behavior is different. Every morning, for instance, French children greet their parents not only by saying bonjour, but also by kissing them. So when they say bonjour, then they add a kiss on the cheek. That is for their parents. So that is what they do. Whenever French people meet, one thing they also do after saying bonjour is they shake hands. They shake hands. Even if they meet more than once during the day, they will be shaking hands. So that is something unique about French people. So those who have had the opportunity of watching French movies or traveling to French countries, realize they do not raise their hands to greet or giving a wave by bonjour. No. But after saying bonjour or in the process of saying bonjour, they shake hands. Yes, so that is one thing they go. But in the era of COVID-19, I'm sure that shaking of hands has been halted for now. Yes, so when COVID-19 is over, maybe you are going to go back to the shaking of hands. Alright, so that is the first rule. Teenagers, especially boys, also shake hands. Girls often greet one another with a kiss on each cheek. So that is girls. You know, girls are special and they are very tender. So they have their special ways of doing things. So that is one side. The second rule, you hear people saying Bonjour Monsieur, Bonjour Madame, Bonjour Mademoiselle. That is to say that on the whole, the relationship between adults and teenagers are much more formal in France than in the United States or English speaking countries. It is, for instance, perfectly proper for American students to greet their teacher with good morning or hi. French students, however, do not greet their teachers with a simple bonjour and will not think of using the informal salut to a teacher. It is customary to say Bonjour Monsieur or Bonjour Madame or Bonjour Mademoiselle. Monsieur is for the male teacher. Madame is for a married woman. Or Mademoiselle is for a lady who is not married. Mostly, lady who is not married, call her Mademoiselle. So some ladies will even insist you call them Mademoiselle instead of Madam, because they want you to know that they are not married. You may also note that the French do not use the last name when greeting a person. They say bonjour, madam, whereas English-speaking people will say hello, Mrs. Jones, hello, Mrs. Smith, hello, Mrs. This, that. So French people and English people have their different ways of greeting. So please do not cross carpet with the various cultures. So that is our lesson for today. On note culturel, bonjour, how to greet in French. Yes, that is more of the rules governing greeting in French countries or among the French. Thank you for having time to listen to the lesson. Yeah, je m'appelle Emmanuel on your favorite channel, Let's Speak French. Please, I need your comments, I need your questions, I need your suggestions in the comment box. Like the video, share the video, and support the channel Let's Speak French, Parlons Français, helping you to speak French. Subscribe to our channel, share with your friend, and thank me later. You will never regret having followed me on this channel. I'm here to help you speak French and speak properly. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. This is the channel Let's Speak French. Au revoir. À bientôt. Bye.